Everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Erica, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this little thing. It's kind of like a little china cabinet because it does comes with like little doors that you can glue on. I just went ahead and I put them in the baggie because I didn't want to lose them, but I am going to show you how I made this, and I'm using things that I got off of Temu, such as this little thing. It's not my favorite, it's not the greatest quality, I don't recommend it at all. It's just because like the handle gets like stuck, and mine has fallen off a few times. And then it comes with these two little boards where you see how much things, so you need that, and it comes with the machine. And then this die cut, and this die cut comes with some other pieces as well, like the drawers, the doors, and stuff like that. So this is not meant to be 3D. It's meant to be like used for like cards and such, but I saw this on the website and I really wanted it for my calico critters because like it is the perfect size. Well, somewhat the perfect size. Like, here's a comparison of the fakey calico critter with it, and it's so cute. So I'm gonna make several of these because I want to make one for like a bookshelf, and then I want to make one as the china cabinet with the doors on it. So I'm gonna make another one, and it didn't take that long because I was trying to figure it out. The only thing that took forever was the fact of of cutting out all the cardboard pieces. So I am recycling some paperboard, which I got from like these little little snack thingies. I got these because I really wanted them, and I've recently been like saving these like for the past few months. So I've been saving them, and I cut them down to fit the little board. This would be better if this was a bigger machine, and it would go a lot faster, but it's not. It's a small machine, so I need to do it in small little sections. So what I did for this one, for the front piece, I am going to use 4 of these, and I cut one at a time just because it gets better. Like, they come out better when you do it one at a time versus 2 at a time. So 4 for the front, and then the back I just flip it around, and I just cut like, I don't go through twice, I only go through it once, but I'll show you that in a minute. And then on the side I just use like regular cardboard just because it was like less time consuming, and I just like try to measure inside it. And as for the shelves, those are included, and I use since I cut 4 for the front, it's 4 for the shelves as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what to do. So go ahead, and I gotta find the other one. 1 second. So I am in bed doing this just because I'm in so much pain and I cannot sit up in the chair, like especially if I need to like relax my back, I need to lay down. So I'm crafting the bed, and I miss crafting in my bed. I just haven't done it in forever. So anyways, enough said. So I have my A, and this is the thick piece. I don't know if I do it right, but this is how I do it. And I like to put this side down just because. And you have this, you see where the embossing is, and you can tell the back from the front differently. So anyways, you place it down, try to place it all the way on it, because keep in mind that this die cut is a little bit bigger than the plate itself, so keep that in mind. You can add tape to this if you would like. I don't really like adding tape. I did eventually add tape to it just to like keep it in place because it is a pain in the butt. But anyways, it looks something like that. Then you're just gonna feed it through your machine, and if you do 2 layers, it does take a lot of elbow grease, and my hands and my arms are not cooperating with me these days. So just, and this just the handle does pop out. See, it does pop out. I have you like zoomed in really good, so yes, it does pop out, but I like holding it like this just because I have more control, I feel like. So you can see that it's already starting to peel off, which is good. But I'm gonna go through it again just because I like to make sure that it's completely cut through. And you can tell I've used this quite a bit because the plates did not look like that before. Like, they looked really nice and shiny. But anyways, this is what it looks like. So go ahead and take it off. So, there you go. And then, you have this little thing. And see, the little pieces just pop out. So save these for your shelf. Okay? Save those for your shelf. And I just put these to the side over there. And this is what the little front end looks like. So you're going to do this 3 more times. So 4 for the front. I'm going to do that off camera just because I don't think you want to see me do that. Okay? Okay, so I kind of had out all those other pieces. So now I'm going to take another one and just cut down to size. And this is like the doors that go on it. Like that. So what you do is you just flip it like that. This is where it gets a little tricky. It's trying to make sure that it stays on and that you have enough room for everything. And do this twice on 2 sheets of paper. And that's how easy that is. And then put those to the side. Okay, so it should just like fall right out. You may just have to like poke some of it out. Just be gentle. I like to save the inserts too, just because we can use those later on for like different projects in it. Okay, so for this part I had an embossing of it. You can kind of see it. I didn't go all the way through on purpose because now I'm going to glue. Take my tacky glue. And I did not bring my silicone tools with me, so I'm going to be using my fingers to spread it out evenly. Blech. If you can't stand touching glue, then I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. I mean, like, this is part of being a crafter. Your fingers are your tools. So anyways, go ahead and place it on and flatten it out. So then I'm going to just like outline it with my pencil if needed, so I can see it, but I'm basically just going to cut it out. Now if you want to for the back, you can add 4 layers. I just did 2. 2 is good enough for me. Now here for the front layers, we have 4 of them. So go ahead and glue them, but one of these I'm just gonna like glue like that. So this way it's matte on both sides when I go to paint it. So it looks something like this. Now we have our front and our back done. So now that that's done, we're going to take our shelves, and this was the pop outs from inside there. So go ahead and take 4. And the reason why I say 4 is because we cut the front out 4 times. So therefore we have 4 of each one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're just going to glue them all together. Again, I'm going to like keep one flipped over like this so it's matte on both sides. Again, tacking glue. I use my fingers to smooth it out. I would use a silicone tool, but I left that in the craft room, so I did not put it in my craft box when I came in here. Plus I didn't have my craft box ready. I just knew what was in it, and I knew I wanted to build this today while I watch my favorite show. Well, one of my favorite shows, Degrassi. So I'm watching that. But anyways, go ahead and keep gluing until you get all 4 on there. And I'm going to keep it going, and then I'll meet you back when I'm done. Okay, if you want the measurements for the regular cardboard that goes on the sides, here we go. You can read it yourself. I'm not good at that, but here's by the centimeters. It looks like a little bit over 8 centimeters right there, and then it's about that much wide. So keep in mind it's centimeters on that. I don't know what this side is. Oh, they're all centimeters. Okay. So anyways, there you go. There you know it. And cut 2 of them. I like to like squish mine down a little bit so it's not like so thick. And I do that to both of the sides. And you just need one for each side. So you put that to the side. Now let's get started with putting this thing together. So I went ahead and I glued the doors together. Each door gets 2 on each side. I did that. Same thing with the drawers and the double doors. So what I like to do first is I pick the side that I want to be my front. I want this to be my front. So on this side, I'm going to take my glue. And I'm just going to do it generously. Dab a little bit with my finger. And I'm going to pick the side that I want for the top part of my shelf. I want that to be my top part, I think. And I am just going to glue my shelves in. You may have to hold and blow. You may have to hold it and then blow on it so it'll dry a little quicker because I am using tacky glue. But it'll dry pretty quickly, so go ahead and do that. Okay, so while it's doing that, I am going to go ahead and glue on the sides as well. This way it'll catch that for me and hold it up a little bit easier because I don't feel like holding it. So I'm going to do that to both of the sides. Okay, so while I've got both of the sides like that, I am going to go ahead and add the back. So just generously and carefully add glue onto the back of the shelves as well. I mean, tacky glue does dry clear, but we don't want to be sloppy. Now, the reason why I embossed it on the back was so I can line it up nicely with the shelf line. Okay, so now we need to cut some paperboard so we can fit in this part as well. And I will go ahead and cut it and then show you the measurements. Okay, so my phone's about to die and I ran out of flash. So anyways, here is the top part. Here's the measurement long ways. Looks a little bit over 7 something. And then here is it short ways, like that. So there's a bit of measurement for you. Now I'm just going to I'm not gonna crap. I'm just gonna glue it on there like that so I'll have a top part, and then I'll work on the doors here in a second. So I'm not going to glue these ones on just like I did with this one. I'm not going to glue it on just because I want to make like some stuff to put inside it. But I am, however, going to glue on these little ones. And when I do that, I need to have the doors on it so I can like make it even. Here it is all finished and everything. I think it looks really cute. It's gonna look better even painted, but that's gonna have to wait for the future because I want to make some stuff to put inside it, and I want to make some little doorknobs and stuff. But it is really freaking cute. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.